Nandito tayo ngayon sa SM North. Kikitain tayo. Siyempre surprise. And pupuntahan na natin siya sa H&M. Shopping daw siya. So let's go. Okay, hanapin natin siya. Nasaan siya? So may buka na lang daw. Ganda. Ay, ito na to. Okay, hindi siya mahanap. So tatawagan natin. Ito na siya. Hindi natin mahanap kanina.
Ay, na-dent yung sa akin. Pinabalik ko. Manood ba tayo?
Manonood kami.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. I'm with my bestie. Magkakain sa rin yung bestie.
Bakit nagagalit? Manonood na kami. Bye-bye! This is us before. Okay, bye-bye. This is us after. Anong sa iyo? Pero maganda.
Ayoko makipag-himali.
Ako ayoko naman.
Ayusin ko yung ugali ko. Gotta fix myself first.
Bye. Na kami.
Ganda ng color.
Kainan na. Busy rin siya. Ayan. Tingin ka nga. Ayan. Ayan. Wow. Hi. Kain na. Yummy! Binili ko na yung bagong card. Ang cute eh. Oh, nice. Good. Nakakasilaw yun ah. Para akong galing sa sa beach. I bet.
Sabi mo takbo ko sa...
Okay, 1, 2.
Dali ako kayo. Ay, bahay natin.
1, 2. Ayan, ayan, okay. 1, 2.
Walang nakakakuha ng picture ko ng tama, siya lang. Mukha akong yung mga nakawalang sirena eh. Dito hindi, mukha ako sirena dito.
Okay, 1, 2.
Okay, sige nga, ano ba thought ko kanina?
Base na lang daw. Ano ang iyong take away?
Na you have to sacrifice a lot when you're in love. Not really sacrifice, parang what's the right term? Parang hindi pwedeng nagmamahal ka ng take ka lang ng take. For me kasi, parang kailangan, naiintindihan, parang for me sa movie, biglang nagulat ako na ganun pala talaga ka-common na it's really given that you have to sacrifice something in a relationship. It's not about take ka lang ng take. It's not about, alam mo yun, it's really about give and take. It's not about giving super big sacrifices, but enough to understand na the other person is also sacrificing something out of, hindi niya man sabihin sa'yo. Alam mo yun? Hindi man siya maging vocal na ito yung mga give up ko for you or whatnot. Pero parang doon ko na-realize sa movie na yun na parang may mga unseen sacrifices talaga when you really love someone.
Yeah.
And it really takes so much dedication and patience in order to make a relationship work. Wow, si Bakla! Pero na to, kasi personally, parang it's not that easy to really maintain a relationship. You really have to be very in love with a person in order for the relationship to work.
Na you have to keep choosing them.
No matter how gray the day is, no matter how sunny the day is, kailangan alam mo sa sarili mo na at the end of the day. Parang love is a choice kasi.
Totoo.
Okay, sige, ikaw. Yun yung thought ko. Parang it's give and take and then love is a choice. Yung pagloloko, choice yun. Yung pagsistay sa tao, choice yun. Lahat choice.
Yes.
Okay.
Siguro based sa movie ang takeaway ko na lang ay
Sige. Gusto ko yung takeaway na to. Pakinggan nga natin yung takeaway mo.
for me, hindi lahat talaga natatawid na lang ng love. Hindi na siya enough. Hindi lang siya enough na reason para
Nakakatakot.
magstay ka sa relationship.
Sure naman.
Ayan.
I agree kasi hindi naman nga kasi lahat strong enough to forgive.
Yeah.
Diba? Hindi naman strong enough to like, kunwari may nangyari na ganon, hindi naman lahat kasi nagpo-push through. Kasi yung mga taong parang kaya nilang mag-start over na lang with someone else. Parang it's easier to start over. Parang ganon. Kesa parang mag-restart tayo ng together. Parang ganon. Parang it's better to like start over alone with another partner for other people. Pero kasi,
Hindi ba parang ang pangit nun sa sarili mo na start
Kasi-
over ka lang na start over?
not really.
sa ibang
Siguro,
tao?
feeling ko for other people, mas madali for them, mindset-wise. Kasi they don't remember the same pain dun sa person na kasama nila.
Okay.
Pero kasi,
yeah.
di ba? Pero personally, for me, parang I'd rather make it. Kasi love ko yung person na kasama ko. Siguro for them, hindi na kasi nila ganun ka love. Factor din kasi yung love. Factor din kasi kung gaano kakain. How willing. Kasi in the movie, she wasn't willing for marriage. She was really scared of marriage. So parang, first place pa lang, alam ko na parang, si Jericho yung taog dito. Kasi siya yung talagang, alam mo yun, naghahabol talaga siya. Kahit si Ann yung unang nag-ayama niya. Nandun yung parang, talo ka, no? Kapag talagang
Meron kasi tayo lahat baggage, pero hindi lahat kayang dalhin ng ibang tao. Well, hindi mo naman talaga siya i-require na dalhin
dalhin nila. Yes.
Pero kasi,
Enough to
being with
understand.
you na kailangan at least tulungan ka nila sa bagahe.
Siguro yung take ko dyan, gets kita sa point no, pero siguro yung personal take ko, parang they don't have to bring your baggage.
Oo.
Siguro, enough to understand that you have excess baggage and that you're working on that excess baggage. Parang ganon. Na parang they don't really have, they don't really have to carry it. They don't have to like bring it with you. They don't have to help you open it. Parang ganon. It's just that for me, parang feeling ko, loving someone, you have to understand na parang everyone comes with it. And like, you just need to understand that their problem is not your problem as well. Para lang, gets mo?
Parang nandiyan, okay, sige, ano yun, parang you both recognize the problem.
Pero that's your
Yeah.
problem. It's not, gets mo? Parang it's my problem. So let me fix my problem. Parang ganon.
If you want to support me, ganyan.
Thank you. Kasi
Oo,
nandito ka.
thank you.
Parang ganon. Oh. For me, kasi talaga heavy talaga yung heavy yung sacrifice dito.
Yeah.
Sacrifice to live your past life. Sacrifice to choose what's best for the both of you right now. Parang ganon.
Grabe yun, 10 years. 10 years and no ring?
Bakit? Wala silang balak
Ano?
ayos. Bakit di nila naisip yung story? Pero yun nga kasi yung story. Pero
Yeah.
sayang naman kung hindi nila nag-review.
Feeling ko kasi, hindi ayaw na nilang ayusin. Ayaw na nila makapagtulungan sa isa't isa na, oh, tara, ayusin natin to.
Willingness din pala talaga, no? Mabigat na in love eh. Kung kaya mo, go. Kung hindi, no.
Yeah. Parang both like,
It's a responsibility talaga. Kasi you're taking care of the person. You're taking care of yourself. It's a very big responsibility to be in love with someone, for me. But at the same time, it's very, parang sobrang fulfilling niya na.
totoo naman.
Ganun. Parang, wow! Ang tagal na natin
Sarap-sarap kayo magmahal.
So,
Legit.
as a lover girl, yes.
Yes. Parang, bakit? Parang I've got all this love. Bakit hindi ko siya mapapakita? Mga ganun.
So, sino kaya ang next? Sino ang mga gusto mag-apply? Ako ang HR dito sa department na to.
Paki-message na lang po siya.
Please send your DMs through this. And then, pakisabi ko na intentions. ng daily earnings. Sa amin daily earnings, be adult na tayo.
Kaya nga, gusto ko working. Working, stable, para ako na lang yung aayos. Mga ganun. Hindi yung ako pa yung tutulong mag-ayos.
Guys, ano, kasi gusto ko na umattend ng mga kasal-kasal.
Oo nga, gusto ko na yung kasal sa totoo lang.
I'm praying to the Lord and the God.
Ang sarap kaya magplano. Ano mo?
Uy, pupunta tayo sa ano?
Oo, March 7. May vlog ulit kami.
Part 2. Wait a minute.
Aabangan niyo yan.
Mga best friend duties. Ito yung mga maid of honor duties kasi.
Yes.
So, walang choice.
Para alam ko na rin kung anong gusto ko. Ganyan. Thank you.
Thank you. I love you so much.
I love you. I had fun. See you again in 2 weeks.
Bakit ka tumatawa? See you in 2 weeks. Ang dami pa natin gagawin.
Abangan nyo na lang.
Puro tayo organizing.
Organizer yarn. Ay na mo.
Yung pala dapat nilagay.